Terminal 3 and ang bilis talaga ng P2P bus. Like, andun ako kasi I was trying to catch the 1 AM na paalis. Pero nakarating ako dun ng 1:12 AM sa SM Clark. So, the next, yung next na bus is 3 AM na. So, ayun, 3 AM. Dumating siya ng 2:30. Umalis kami ng 3 AM sa SM Clark. And then, nakarating kami dito sa Terminal 3, around 4:35 AM. Like, ang bilis lang talaga. Ang bilis lang. And, yeah, dito na ako ngayon sa Terminal 3. And, waiting for my boarding. And, wala pa yung gate number. So, check it out. So, I'll see you sa Tanduanes.
Celebrate namin siya during 4th week of May. So, tapos na. Mga hand-painted. Tapos, ito, nilagyan lang ng iba't ibang accent.
Sinot din to?
Opo, ma'am.
Wow.
So, ito is abaka gown. So, it is ginamit sa Sorsogon year 2023. So, during
Saan po to? Anong lugar po kasi?
Punta tayong Bote Lighthouse.
Bote Lighthouse. Ayun. Nag-hiking kami. Ayun, grabe. Ang tarik.
Nangalahati na sa tayo.
Nangalahati na. Ito si Ate Marilyn po.
Okay.
Ate Marilyn. After hiking, grabe. Sobrang tarik. Sobrang stiff nung Ayan yung view. We're here. Hi, Ate Marlene! Nandito na kami sa taas. Ang ganda ng view. Ayan. Tapos na ako nag-hiking. Andun sa Bote Lighthouse. Basta dun sa pinakataas. And now we're here at dito lang siya sa baba. Sa Cajon Beach. Ang ganda. Tingnan mo. Solo mo. Walang katao-tao. Sa linaw ng tubig. Napakadinaw. Shit! Bumabaon ako. Ang view. welcome to Coraran. So, dyan tayo nakastay for 2 days, July 1 and 2 sa Tita Ice Surfer. There you go. Kami ngayon sa Tana El's Eatery. We're gonna have some dinner. Kasi ako'y inaantok na. Good morning! Ito yung daan namin papunta sa Binurong. Okay, good morning! It's our day 2 here sa Catanduanes and yun yung hinihintay ko talaga, yung Binurong Point. Yung view and mag-hike tayo. Sa Binurong Point. Ang ganda, diba? Ang ganda ng view. Sabi mo talagang, hey Jesus eh.
I just wanna know how you feel, baby. I just wanna go where your love take me. I'm losing my sanity, you taking me under. For you I surrender, you're making me land on other side of gravity. Boy, you got me under. Boy, you got me fond of. Yeah, boy, you got me in love. I can't ignore it. I wish you noticed me. I wish you knew the emotion provoked in me. Let me live. Let me live again. I'll take no more from you. You got my soul. Oh, you let me fly. You let me go. Oh, now you're gonna see it. Gonna see it clearly. You go out on the weekend. You want me, then you leave me. take you on the ride of your life. Don't ever stop. Give me your touch, give me your love, give it some more. I'm losing my sanity.
We going.
The vloggeries.
The vloggerist wannabe.
Hi guys, welcome to Happy Island. If you want to visit Catanduanes, just message Catanduanes Motor.
Okay. And here's, I don't know what's her name.
Hi, I'm Berlin. I'm
She's from
TJ's
here.
companion for today.
Yeah. She's from here. And she let
She's my
me
surfer.
drove her motorcycle. Thanks to her. Hi.
You're gonna send it to your boyfriend, huh?
Yes.
You got my soul. Oh, you let me fly, you let me go. Oh, now you're gonna see it clearly. You go out on the weekend. You want me, then you leave me. You got my soul. Oh, you let me fly, you let me go. Oh, now you're gonna see it clearly. You go out on the weekend. You want me, then you leave me.
Hi. Oh yeah, it's my free time now. Is it blurry? It is blurry because it's wet. But yeah. My hair, it's messy hair. And I don't care about it. Wow, I think it's about to rain. Good morning. Today is July 3rd. And gumising ako ng maaga. Kasi yung sunrise dito, ito yung pinakaunang lugar na nasisikatan ng sunrise dito sa Philippines. So I woke up early because the sunrise it's 5:31. But then yung gate dito is closed pa. Papunta dun sa Puraran Beach. Dun sa ano. So, ayun, naglalakad lang ako dito sa may daan. Walking. So, pabalik na tayo. That's where I stay, right there. May mga tao na dun sa seashore. Bukas, dili pa tayo ng accommodation. And andyan na din tayo bukas. Nakikita ice kasi ako. And nakakita na akong tao dun. And this is the view. Hey guys, so we already checked out doon sa kay Tita Ice. It was fun there, you know. Now we're going to Puraran Surf Puraran Surf Resort. So yeah, another 2 days there. That was just right there. Hi! Lumipat tayo ng accommodation dito sa Puraran Surf Resort. And yeah, wala na akong ginagawa, so naiinip na ako. Dito lang, chill na lang. Chillin na lang here. Tapos yung iba kong grabe yung bag ko. Ngayon ko lang siya ginamit ng ganito kalaki. Ang laki talaga. Tapos yung iba kong gamit, di ko man nasusuot. Paano pa ako bibili ng pasalubong? Wala naman akong inad na check-in luggage. So, ayun, paano bibili ng pasalubong? Saan ko pa ilalagay? Kasi yung bag ko is punong-puno na ng damit na hindi ko man ginamit. Ayun lang. Nagutom na ako. Baka, kain na tayo. Yeah, yun lang yung view. Kanina nag-surf tayo. Ang ganda. Nakakapagod pero enjoy. Ayun lang. Ano pa bang ginawa ko ngayong araw? Wala, ayun na, nag-surfing. Actually, naglakad pala ako. Kasi na 1 AM, di na ako natulog. Diretso na yun hanggang kaninang 2 PM. So, walang tulog-tulog. Ayun, naglakad-lakad ako nung morning, trying to see the sunrise. And yan, nakita ko naman yung sunrise. Kaso hindi siya full sunrise. Ganon. Tapos, ayun, nag-surf. Mga 1 hour yun. Then, naka-Tita Ice pa ako. And then, we ate lunch for free. Sponsored by the boys there sa Tita Ice. Sa PJ. Ayun. And yeah, after noon, check out na. Pumunta na ako dito. Dapat yung sa Cabanawan ako mag-i-stay. Nasa diba? Basta andun na yun. Kasi nipahat siya. Panroom. Kasi nagpa-transfer ako dun sa isa. Na mas okay. So, ayun. Wala na akong ginagawa. And paggabi na. Actually, na-homesick nga ako. Hindi ko alam. Nung lumipat ako dito, parang na-homesick ka. Na-homesick! Parang ang tagal ko no, hindi ko alam. Ngayon, I mean, this is not my first time na I traveled solo. Pero, ito yung first time na na-feel ko. Parang, ewan ko. After nung tour, happy. Like, 100/10. But now, yeah, medyo nasad ako. Pero, yeah, inaaliw ko naman yung sarili. Ayun lang. So, see you sa next update. Good morning! Happy Friday, everyone! Is it happy? Of course, happy. Ilang oras na ako nakaupo dito. Wala tayong ginagawa. We woke up like 4 a.m. Tapos gloomy, walang sunrise. Guys, paman din ako. Nagsuot ng dress. Kaso, wala yung sunrise. Buti na lang nagpicture na ako kahapon ng sunrise. And yeah, here's the weather here. Wala tayong plan for today. So, bahala na. And yeah, uwi na tayo bukas. Natin ngayon dito sa Catanduanes. Wala, back to reality na. Ayun lang naman, di ba? Work, then travel ulit, ipon. Ayun, but yeah, ang ganda ng sunrise. Kahapon nakabihis ako, naka-OOTD ako. Nagpicture, walang sunrise. Tapos ngayon, may sunrise, pero wala na. Ayun lang. Back in Manila, vacation is over. Tayo na't mag-relax.
Steps, rhythm in the air, in this summer heat we don't care. Feel the breeze, it's lifting us high, we're chasing the waves, touching the sky, together we rise, no looking back. This summer vibe is on the right track. Summer vibes, we're feeling the heat, dancing all night to the ocean beat. Under the stars, we're never alone. This is our time, a summer unknown. So wild and free, this is the life it's meant to be. Feel the warmth of the night, we're glowing bright, hearts so light. Every breath, every smile, in this moment we go wild. Summer vibes, we're feeling the heat, dancing all night to the ocean.
it slow, but we're still here. The night is young, the stars are near. Every moment so wild and free. This is the life it's meant to be. Feel the warmth of the night, glowing bright, heart so light. Every breath, every smile, in this moment we go wild.